Hi, let me introduce this drone. Before fly the drone, make sure all the screw is tight. All the screw is tight and no loose. You need to do the pre-flight check. Check all the screw and the prop is firmly connect to the motor. The motor screw is tight. Everything is tight and good and connect. Then the FPV is here. If you want use FPV, you need to connect to the battery. Battery is here. Make sure that the battery cell do not below 3.70. Do not below 3.70. If you below 3.70 each cell, then this battery will go bad. You cannot charge it anymore. And you can replace this 2C battery. This is a LiPo battery. You can replace this anytime you like, and plug in for power up the FPV and unplug after you use it. And you see this arrow is the front end, so you fly this way. This is the front and this is the back. Make sure you tie the correct 22114433, and this battery alarm, you will check each cell. If you can set 3.70, you can set 3.76, you can set 3.80, but as I said, you must make sure not let the cell below 3.70, otherwise this battery will go bad. You cannot charge anymore. So yeah, that's very important. And this is two battery combined together, so it's 12,000 milligrams, so 12,000, so total is 24,000. So I recommend, if you want to do the pizza delivery, I recommend you purchase 16,000 to 16,000, so you have enough time to fly. And our technician already check all the wire, everything's good, and I do the pre-fly and fly all the function, automation, detailing, and hovering. It's all good. Yeah. So we spend a lot of months configure and program the chip, and now it's all function. So this wire you plug in here is power up the drone. So you plug in and then reset, this ultrasound distance monitor. So each time you use, you need to unplug and plug in, so you will start the drop function. So you put your pizza box here below, and tie up here, and tie up the pizza box, and put in the release bar here, just like the video I show you how you drop. And then you set out the waypoint, and when you fly that waypoint, you will below the altitude to the nearly the ground, and then stay there. And then after 5 seconds, the ultrasound will detect the drone is near the ground. It's almost near the ground, and you will release your pizza box. And then once it release, it will come back. You will close the landing gear, and then you can stay in that waypoint for like 1 or 2 minutes, and then that will be enough time to drop the pizza box and then fly to, and then your next waypoint is fly to home. Yeah, once you fly home, and the drone will land itself. You will land on the waypoint you set. Yeah, so please make sure to read the guide I give you and then study and get familiar. Yeah, so this ultrasound is working. Once you reset, do not block here and do not go over there. Yeah, otherwise you will mess up the drop function. So try to do everything on the back area. Yeah, so that's about it. Yeah, you can use the laptop I give you to monitor the drone status, but once the drone fly out of range, it will go for the auto mode. Yeah, once you set auto mode, you don't need to worry about anything. You just execute the mission, the flight plan you give the drone, and then once you finish, you told the drone to come back to your home waypoint where you want to land the drone. Yeah, then you will land. And I will give you some extra stuff, and then maybe you can put here to extend out this landing position gear. Otherwise, sometimes if the wind too big, when he land, he probably move the other side. So, but that would be a big win. Yeah, that's about it. So the drone is working good, all function, and then we do a lot of testing. And as you see on the video, fly very stable and very nice. FPV camera is all working. It's all good. Yeah, that's about it. And remember, use on your own risk. We just make sure the drone is functioning good and working, and have fun. Okay, bye.